Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a smart thermostat with Google Home and Schedules. Quick tutorial step by step. To set up your smart thermostat with Google Home, ensure your thermostat is compatible. Download and open the Google Home app on your smartphone. Sign in to your Google account if prompted to do so. Tap on the plus icon in the top left corner to add a device. Select Set Up Device from the drop-down menu. Choose Works with Google to link existing smart devices. Search for your thermostat brand in the list and select it. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your thermostat to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, your thermostat will appear in the Google Home app. Now, to set schedules, select your thermostat from the main screen. Tap on Schedule to create a new scheduling routine. Choose the days of the week for your schedule. Set the desired temperature and time for each period of the day. Repeat this process for all scheduled times. Once finished, save your settings to apply the schedule. Test the schedule by adjusting your thermostat manually to see if Google Home recognizes the changes. You can always modify or delete schedules anytime through the Google Home app. Make sure to keep the Google Home app updated for the best experience. Enjoy convenient home temperature management with your smart thermostat and Google Home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.